Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link on TikTok bio. First, you have to log into your TikTok account and you have to go to your profile button here. Click on this profile button to access your profile, and in your profile section, you will find edit profile button. Simply click on it, and from here, you can edit your profile. Now, here you'll find bio and links. You just need to click on links and click on this add button here, and you will find Instagram and YouTube. You can simply click on add to add your Instagram account. Now you have to enter your Instagram account credentials and give the permission to use the link of your Instagram profile to your TikTok account. You can also do the same with your YouTube account. You just need to click on it and you have to select the YouTube account, the Google account that are associated with your YouTube account, and you want to add that account to your TikTok profile bio. After that, if this doesn't work out, then you just need to go to this three line button, horizontal line button, and then you will find settings and privacy. Click on it, and then from here you just need to search or for the business account. You have to switch to the business account. For this, if you just need to click on account, and from here you'll find switch to business account. Click on it and click on next from here, and you have to do the rest of steps that are prompted on your screen. For example, I'm going to go with any of this like this and click on next, and then you have to enter your email, and you just need to switch your personal account to your business account. Then you may add some links to your profile bio, and if it doesn't even work out, then make sure that you have the most updated version of TikTok available on your device. If there is any update button in your app store or in your Google Play Store, then immediately click on update button and update to the latest version of TikTok application. Then open the application, then try the same steps that follow the same process to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. That's how you can add clickable link to your TikTok bio. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.